morning, Carlitos.
Good morning, people.
What's
How's
up,
it going?
man? I thought this boat had a washing machine.
Aye. Boat life. Boat happen things, you know?
What happened? Tell us.
Well, yesterday we were working so hard in the pool, drinking beer, as always, and suddenly we came or have some lunch or something, and the wish machine pop like 2 times. Some smoke came out. We don't know really, but
Set the boat on fire.
yeah. So it doesn't work. So now I am the washing machine, girl.
Okay,
Boys.
so work faster. Let's talk it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And well, that's our paradise.